Welcome student. Now in last class we have already discussed the classification of organic compound based on functional group. Okay, that was our topic. Now in that class I have explained alkane. Okay, first class of organic compound, that was alkane. Okay, and I have explained everything regarding this alkane, its example, classification, then nomenclature, especially common name, IUPAC name and etc. Now in continuation with this, next class of organic compound, that is alkene, ENE. Alkane, we know alkane, ANE. Alkane is this, ENE, suffix ANE, suffix ENE. Okay. Now what is alkane? What is alkene? Now tell me, what is alkane? Alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon, having carbon-carbon single bond. Okay, and carbon-carbon single bond with general formula CnH2n plus 2. This is the short definition of alkane. Saturated hydrocarbon, okay, containing only carbon-carbon single bond, sigma bond, and having general formula CnH2n plus 2. Example, methane, ethane, propane, butane, okay, and etc. So what is alkene? What is alkene? ENE. Alkene is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. Remember, unsaturated hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means compound containing carbon and hydrogen. Okay, compound or organic compound which is made up of only carbon and hydrogen, that is called hydrocarbon. Saturated means in hydrocarbon one carbon attached to another carbon by single bond, only single bond, sigma bond, then that is called saturated. Unsaturated means if in this molecule, in this hydrocarbon, one carbon attached to another carbon by double bond. Remember, double bond is there, double bond. One carbon attached to second carbon by double bond. Okay, if this is the bonding, then that is called unsaturated hydrocarbon. Alkene is a unsaturated hydrocarbon containing at least one carbon-carbon double bond in its molecule, carbon-carbon double bond, and having general formula CnH2n. What is general formula for alkene? CnH2n. What is general formula for alkane? CnH2n plus 2. What is difference between alkane and alkene? Alkane contain carbon-carbon single bond, alkene contain at least one carbon-carbon double bond, and this is the general formula. Alkane CnH2n plus 2, alkene CnH2n only, means this alkane having contain 2 hydrogen atom more than alkene. Okay, instead of that 2 hydrogen there is double bond. Okay, there is double bond. So alkane and alkene, see, I will explain again. Alkane, saturated hydrocarbon containing only carbon-carbon single bond, okay, and general formula CnH2n plus 2. Alkene is a class of organic compound. It is a hydrocarbon but unsaturated hydrocarbon containing one carbon-carbon double bond in its molecule and having general formula CnH2n. This is the difference between alkane and alkene. Okay, means alkene contain 2 carbon atom less than alkene. Okay, that is the difference. So alkene is a unsaturated hydrocarbon having one carbon double bond and general formula CnH2n. This is called alkene. Okay, now some example where n is, what is n? N is the number of carbon atom. Now consider example. Suppose general formula is CnH2n. If n equal to 1, then what will be the formula? N equal to 1, C1H2 into 1, that is C1H2, that is CH2. Is it alkene? No, it is not alkene, because for alkene there must be at least one carbon double bond. Carbon double bond must be there, and for carbon double bond, that alkene must have at least 2 carbon atom, and here only 1 carbon atom. So double bond is not possible. That's why this is not alkene. Not exist. Again, the valency of carbon is 2, but actually valency of carbon is 4. So this is not possible. Okay. So first example is not possible. Now second, start from n equal to 2. If put n equal to 2, then C2H2 into 2, that is C2H4, and name, this is the first member of this alkene family and its name is ethylene. This is common name, remember, alkene or alkylene, ethylene. This so end with eth, Ylene. Okay, so this represent first member of alkene and its formula structure: carbon double bond. This is the structure of this alkene, ethene. See, one carbon attached to another carbon by double bond. Okay, double bond is there, having formula CnH2n. It is unsaturated hydrocarbon with formula CnH2n. It means it is alkene. This is the first member of this family. Name is ethylene. Okay. If we put n equal to 3, C3H6 and name is propylene. Prop, Ylene, propylene. Structure: 3 carbon, put 1 double bond either on this side or this side, then remaining are hydrogen, 1 2 3, 1 hydrogen. Okay, this is the structure for propylene. Carbon number 1 2 3 carbon. Okay, propylene, only single structure, no more structure possible for propylene. Okay, so single isomers. Then so first is ethylene, second is propylene, third, if we put n equal to 4, C4H8, name is butylene. Okay, now 4 carbon, 1 2 3 4, double bond here, CH2 CH2 CH3, its name is alpha butylene. This is alpha carbon. Okay, and this is beta carbon. This system is a common system of nomenclature. Okay, it is possible to draw one more structure for same, CH3 C double bond HCH CH3, that is these two structure are different. See here double bond starting from alpha carbon, and here alpha beta double bond starting from beta carbon as beta butylene. So it is, they are different, they are isomers of each other. So butylene has got now two isomers and one more possible, that is I will try to draw double bond CH2 CH3. This is isobutylene, its name is isobutylene. Isobutylene. So these are the three different structure for butylene: alpha butylene, isobutylene, beta butylene and isobutylene. So these three are different, therefore these structure are different but molecular formula are same, therefore they are isomers, structural isomers of each other. Okay. So butylene has got three isomers: alpha, beta and isobutylene. Okay, right? Now N equal to 5 C5H10, C5H10. So first 1 2 3 4 5. If we put double bond here, CH2 CH CH CH2 CH3 first, second CH2 CH double bond CH CH2 CH3 second, third fourth, okay, and so on. So these are the four different structure of pentylene. This is 5 carbon pentylene. Okay, but in common system of nomenclature it is very difficult to give name for every isomers. Okay, so common system failed in case of complicated alkene or complicated alkane. That's why we have to give name by following IUPAC name, IUPAC nomenclature. Okay, so always remember, organic compound has got two system of nomenclature. First is common system of nomenclature, this is one, and second one is IUPAC system of nomenclature. In a common system, what happen, for initial member it is very easy to give name, but in case of higher member like n equal to 6, n equal to 7, carbon number of carbon atom increases, then the structure become complicated, and in that case common system is not possible to give. For common system it is not possible to give name. Okay, clear? Now we can draw many structure for remaining alkene also, n equal to 6, n equal to 7, 8, 9, 10. But what is alkene? Alkene is nothing but unsaturated hydrocarbon containing one carbon-carbon double bond in it. So this molecule contain carbon-carbon double bond and satisfied the general formula CnH2n. Okay, that is the alkene. Okay, so these are the some example. Now I want to explain IUPAC name for alkene. IUPAC name for alkene. Let us see IUPAC name. Very simple. Now in case of IUPAC name, the IUPAC name is obtained by same procedure, just like in alkane we have to follow same procedure. Okay, what, how? Then for example, CH2 double bond CH2. Now in case of alkene, functional group, remember, functional group is carbon carbon double bond. Okay, now our focus must be on functional group, that is carbon carbon double bond. This is the functional group for alkene, carbon carbon double bond. Now in case of alkane, carbon carbon single bond was a functional group. Okay, here what we have to do, we have to consider the longest chain. Same rule, some rules we have to follow. Consider longest chain containing, remember here, containing carbon carbon double bond, carbon carbon double bond. Whatever chain we have selected, that chain must, longest chain must includes carbon carbon double bond. That chain, longest chain including carbon carbon double bond, that we have to select. Okay, then after selecting chain, same rule, count the number of carbon atom, count the number of carbon atom including carbon carbon double bond in the longest chain. That will give us parent name, parent name of alkene. Okay, if longest chain contain 2 carbon atom, then ethene, eth, add suffix ene for alkene. Okay, so for example, here in this case, select the longest chain. This compound contain 2 carbon atom, so longest chain including carbon carbon double bond contain 2 carbon. 2 carbon means ethane, but it is ethene. So parent name of alkene is obtained by replacing ane by ene. So ethene, ethene, ethene is a parent name for this. Okay, now there are only 2 carbon atom, so no need to give numbering, 1 and 2 or 1 and 2, same. So this is the ethene is a IUPAC name for this alkene. Okay, one more example, CH2 double bond CH. Now we have to give IUPAC name for this. Then what we have to do? According to rule number 1, select the longest chain containing double bond as well as substituent, maximum number of substituent. As in alkane, we have to follow this rule, only double bond here. Okay, select the longest chain. Look at me, select the longest chain including carbon carbon double bond and maximum number of substituent. This is the first rule for naming. Okay, now see, 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Okay, so longest chain is this, and this longest chain contain carbon carbon double bond, and this is substituent. This is now substituent. Okay, this is the longest chain having carbon carbon double bond. Now parent name, next part is to give parent name. To give parent name, what we have to do? We have to count the number of carbon atom, 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. So longest chain contain how many carbon atom? 5 carbon. 5 carbon means pentane. Pentane. But it is alkene, it is not alkane. So replace ane by ene. So pentene. So pentene is a parent name. Now here we have to identify the position of double bond and also identify the substituent. For that, what we have to do? We have to give numbering. So we have to start numbering in such a way that the carbon atom of double bond will get lowest possible number. Okay, right? There are two ends, this end, but from which end we have to start numbering? We have to start numbering in such a way that the carbon atom of double bond will get lowest possible number. Okay, that we have to consider. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now from this numbering we can identify the position of double bond as well as substituent. What is the substituent? CH3. CH3 is a substituent in this compound. That is the name for this methyl group. So always remember, in IUPAC name of the substituent with location, then parent name and suffix. Okay, that is the structure for IUPAC name. So here substituent methyl group attached to carbon number 3. So 3 methyl. Okay, then what is the position of double bond? Double bond starting from carbon number 1. So that we have to add before the parent name. 1 pentene. Okay, so what is IUPAC name for this compound? 3 methyl 3-methyl -1-pentene. What is 3? 3 is the locant for substituent. What is 1? 1 is the locant for, locant means which identify location of double bond. Here it means carbon double bond starting from carbon number 1 pentene. So this is 3 methyl 1 pentene is a IUPAC name for alkene. Okay, one more example. But so for this compound we have to give IUPAC name. Then what we have to do? Same rule. Now first identify the longest chain including double bond and maximum number of substituent. So that chain, whatever chain we are going to select, that contain double bond and maximum number of substituent. Okay, so let us see. 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so this is the longest chain. This is the longest chain, and remaining part, this one, methyl group are substituent. So there are 3 substituent, 3 methyl group attached. Now double bond is there. Where is double bond? Double bond. Okay, now parent name. How to start? Parent name. First part is identify the longest chain including functional group, means double bond, and then give parent name. To give parent name, count the number of carbon atom in the chain. Count the number of carbon atom in the chain. Okay, that will give us parent name. So how many carbon atom? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 carbon. So longest chain contains 7 carbon. 7 carbon means what? 7 carbon means heptane. Okay, but it is alkene, so remove ane by ene. Remove suffix ane from the name of alkane. How parent name obtained for alkene? Remove suffix ane from the name of alkane by ene. So we get heptene. Heptene is a parent name for this compound. Okay. Now then we have to give numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. If we give numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, that carbon atom of double bond get bigger number. Okay, that's why from this side, okay, from this side right. Now double bond starting from carbon number 3, so 3 heptene. Okay, what 3 indicate? In 3 indicate the double position of double bond starting from carbon number 3 to carbon number 4. Now we have to add the position of substituent. How many substituent present in this example? 3. 1, 2, 3. All are identical. All are their name methyl group. 3 methyl group. 1, 2, 3. What is the position? 2 methyl group present at carbon number 2 and 1 methyl group present at carbon number 5. So 2 dash 5 trimethyl 3 heptene. Okay, so this is the complete IUPAC name for this compound. So by following this rule, we can give IUPAC name for alkene. Okay, very simple. Okay, you can do this, you can try this at home. Okay, so this is alkene. Now first class of organic compound that we have seen, that is alkane. Alkane is a saturated hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon double single bond with general formula CnH2n plus 2. Okay, that was alkane. And in alkane, functional group is carbon-carbon single bond. Remember, carbon-carbon single bond. And now alkene. What is alkene? Alkene is a unsaturated hydrocarbon containing at one carbon-carbon double bond in its structure having general formula CnH2n. Okay, right? And these are the rule. And functional group in case of alkene is carbon-carbon now double bond. Okay, so carbon-carbon single bond means alkane. Carbon-carbon double bond, if organic compound contain carbon-carbon double bond, that is alkene. Remember, alkene, one carbon-carbon double bond means alkene. So in all hydrocarbon having one carbon-carbon double bond are included in this family alkene, and all hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon single bond included in alkane. So this is the way to classify on the basis of functional group. Okay. So student, again I want to take one example. So from structure we have given IUPAC name, and if IUPAC name is given, then we have to draw structure. Let us try one example as in alkane. Okay. Suppose name of the alkene is this 2,3 okay, 3 ethyl 2 methyl 4 octene. This is the IUPAC name of this IUPAC name is given for alkene. Now question is, draw the structure for this compound. Whatever name is given, for that compound we have to draw structure. Now first identify the class of organic compound. Is it alkane? On what basis we can identify? Parent name. Parent name is octene, E-N-E, not A-N-E. E-N-E means alkene. It is alkene. Alkene means having double bond. Okay. So first write parent name. Parent name is octene. So octene, first draw octene. Octene means 8 carbon atom. Draw the chain for 8 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, after this, give numbering to the carbon atom from one of the end. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, then add substituent and position double bond also. What is 4-octene? 4-octene means double bond starting from carbon number 4. Where is carbon number 4? Carbon number 4 double bond is here. This is carbon number 4 double bond. Okay, now 4-octene. 3-ethyl, 2-methyl. Where is 2? Carbon number 2. Carbon number 2. Methyl group means CH3. Then 3-ethyl means carbon number 3 having ethyl group. Okay, now over. Now for remaining carbon atom, attach hydrogen as per valency. CH3, 1 2 means 1 1, here 1 CH2 CH2 CH3. Okay, so this is the complete structure for 3-ethyl 2-methyl 4-octene, and in this way we can draw the structure if IUPAC name is given. Okay, clear? So try this. So student, in next class we will discuss one more class of organic compound, that is alkyne. YNE, alkyne. Alkane, alkene, alkyne. Alkyne means carbon carbon triple bond. Okay, thank you very much.